My name is Cantineau, founder and CEO of Rackmount.IT. I founded Rackmount.IT out of pure frustration. I previously owned an IT security company and I often had a need for rack mount kits. What was on offer was heavy, not well designed, and there was hardly any margin for resellers and distributors. So I decided to make my own solution. With our in-house development team, we developed rack mount kits for desktop appliances in our headquarters in Breda, Netherlands. Our designs are detailed and specifically made to be a perfect fit for the compatible appliances. All products are developed and produced in the Netherlands to guarantee high quality, save on operational costs and minimize our environmental footprint. The production process is almost fully automated and includes laser cutting, punching, automated bending and powder coating. Robots take up most part of the production process, so it's mostly automated with a standard high quality. The rack mount kits are printed, assembled and packed at our warehouse, from where they are now ready to be shipped to customers all over the world. Whether it's just a single unit or thousands for a large project, Rackmount.IT can fulfill all your needs from our offices in the Netherlands, United States and Australia.